Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with digital notes. Digital note-taking offers incredible flexibility and efficiency for your academic journey. To begin, select a note-taking application that aligns with your personal preferences, whether it is for simple text or rich multimedia. Establish a clear organizational structure using folders and subfolders. This systematic approach ensures all your valuable information is easily retrievable whenever you need it. Once your setup is ready, focus on effective note-taking techniques. Don't just copy, actively summarize information in your own words to deepen comprehension. Leverage the power of digital tools by embedding images, diagrams, or even short audio clips directly into your notes. Employ formatting like bold text or highlighting to draw attention to key points, making your notes visually engaging and easier to review later. Effective review is crucial for long-term retention. Make it a habit to schedule consistent review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, to reinforce what you have learned. Transform your digital notes into interactive flashcards for active recall, a highly effective study method. Utilize the robust search capabilities of your note-taking app to instantly find specific topics or keywords, streamlining your study process significantly. To truly maximize your digital note-taking, consider these advanced tips. Integrate your notes with other productivity tools, such as a digital calendar or task manager, to create a seamless study ecosystem. Explore collaborative features to share and work on notes with study partners, fostering a richer learning environment. Most importantly, always back up your digital notes regularly to safeguard all your hard work and valuable information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.